On this episode of Duffy's Garage, the Miata is finally getting new mirrors.
The first step to replace your mirrors is to buy some. I picked up this OEM set off the internet for 50 bucks, shipped. They even came with this sweet sticker. Next up, remove the two Phillips head machine bolts holding in your mirrors. The stock units will pivot out of the way to reveal them, but if you're like me, they're exposed, which makes this a lot easier. With the screws out of the way, the mirror assembly should just pull right out of the door. If your units are powered, you'll have a harness to disconnect, which can be accessed by removing the speaker on the inside of the door panel. Next, feed the harness into the door. For all my NA6 owners, you'll quickly realize that the diameter of the inner hole is too small for those power mirrors. This means you'll have to widen them. So get out your step drill bit and file and get ready to go to town. For my NA8 owners, you shouldn't have to do anything. Just feed the harness through and throw the bolts right back in. Now that the hole is the right size, you're ready to install your mirrors. Unless you're like me and forgot to buy the hardware, in which case we'll take a quick trip to the local Home Depot and grab some new machine screws. If you have power mirrors, you're looking for an M6 by 25mm bolt. The manual ones have the same thread pitch, but are slightly shorter because of the thinner base of the mirror. At last, you can take your shiny new hardware and bolt that mirror down to the door. Slap that mirror back into place, forget the screwdriver on your roof, and pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Now it's time to breeze through the passenger side.
Brendan from the future here. The exceptionally observant among you will have noticed that the hole I drilled for the driver's side mirror was absolutely gigantic, and it was actually too big for that mirror. So what we had to do was weld a piece back into it so that it wouldn't leak. To do that, we had to go visit my boy Mike. What was that about?
Welcome to the crib, yo.
Damn, look at this place.
Everything in here has 1200 horsepower or more.
Including this hood?
The hood's just pro charge. Check it out. Show the camera. All snap-on tools. Snap-on. Oh, that says Cobalt on it. That's crazy. Weird way to spell. Oh, that one says Husky. Weird way to spell Snap-on. They spell Snap-on a lot of different ways.
Yeah. And that's gonna do it for me, guys. If you liked what you saw, be sure to leave a like and share it around. It helps me out a ton. And I'm trying to hit 100 subs by the end of this summer. So if we could do that, I would love you all forever, and I will give each and every one of you a big ol' smooch. But in all seriousness, I love the way this is coming out. I can't wait to put some paint on it and actually make it look nice. And I have some other big videos planned for the future, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching.